Hey, I'm George and I'm Underdog Leads, and I'm going to give you this free plan of attack to show you who's beating you and what you need to do to kind of bump your levels up. Alright, so check this out. So this is your site, and immediately I notice that your description's a little too long. You have 5 characters too much. So your heading tags are all messed up. So you're supposed to have a H1 tag, and that's what your site is just known for. And that could be like spa removal, something, or whatever you decide it to be. And then you're gonna have H2 tags, and those are gonna be all your topics throughout your site. And those are actually really important because that kind of like tells the search engines what they're gonna be looking at and what kind of content you're putting on the site. And then you have H3s, which are your subtopics of those topics. Then it goes down to H4s, H5s, and those aren't as important. But, so right here I can tell that you only have one H3 tag, and that's main navigation. So that is immediately something that you need to fix, because you could potentially already be number 1, but it's just structured incorrectly. So that's one thing I noticed. Another thing I noticed is you got quite a bit of words, but it's only 869. So you're going to have to bump up those words if you want to actually beat the number 1 guy. So some of the biggest things that are going to help you out into winning is the amount of content you have, and it has to be relevant, and that's what's going to kind of bump your stuff up. So the more content you have, I'd bump that up to like 1,500 words. That is probably the main thing. The next thing is going to be this thing called backlinks. I'm not sure if you ever heard of these. So a backlink is like a vote. Not all of them are made equal. And this is how many other sites are talking about you. So you can get backlink from other sites. And if they're more trustworthy sites, then you're going to get more authority in your site. And see, that's one of the biggest things, is finding good quality backlinks. It's like having really good people talk about you. So now you're more credible to Google. And the last thing is going to be citations. And those are your NAP listings, your name, address, and phone number listings. So those are going to be things like Yelp, HomeAdvisor, Thumbtack, all that other stuff. So you're going to need a bunch of those too to kind of bump you up. And that's just a quick little overview of what you really need to be doing. I would really focus on the heading tag. So I'm going to show you why the number 1 guy is number 1 also. So this is your site. And hot tub removal Los Angeles. So this is one of the things that you do. I see this guy, SoCal spa removal. He's beating you. But look. He doesn't even have much going on, to be honest with you. See, he has less words than you. His thing is messed up too, also. You see that? Description's too long. Has less words. But check this out. See these heading things? It's not even the best. It's not optimized like it should be, but he at least has hot tub removal, Los Angeles hot tub removal, in his H1 tag. Now, his H2s are messed up, and H3s are decent, I guess, because jacuzzi removal. But at the end of the day, his H1 has Los Angeles hot tub removal. So I think that's why he's beating you. And he's got easily be beaten, I'm telling you. You go to spa removal Los Angeles. I even refresh it to make you feel better. And then look, who's first? SoCal spa removal again. It's the same one, same thing. Now let's go to spa removers, Southern California, because that's kind of what you guys do, And then sure enough, it is SoCal spa removal. Again, it's a different page that they're sending them to now. But let's look at their tags again. Welcome to SoCal spa removal. So it says spa removal again. Now, like I said, this could be so much better. This could be so much easier if you actually just did a little bit. That's not how you spell removal. There we go. Let's just do San Diego spa removal. So Where is this? SoCal Spa Removal. But you're number one in the map right here and only here. So one of the things is you don't have enough reviews. You need more reviews if you want to do better in the maps. Another thing, if you want to do better in the maps, it's going to be the citations I was telling you about. And to get even deeper, we can actually... Let's pull up really fast. Okay. Let's see. I'm not sure where you went in this. You're somewhere in here. Anyway, like I was saying, so actually I have tools that actually allow me to target a bunch of specific GPS locations. And that's going to make it a lot easier to beat these guys. Okay. So I'm going to pull this up for you so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. Okay, so I kind of got this thing pulled up. Research, GMB, heat map. So this is something I've been working on for a little bit. And if you're interested, I can do this to your site too. So this isn't, it wasn't always like this. This is a bunch of 20s. So this is actually shows you the position you are in the maps per different GPS locations. I'm located in San Antonio, so this is a guy I'm helping out right now. He started off with a bunch of 20s, so I targeted these specific GPS locations. I used a bunch of my SEO tactics, and now he's getting a lot more money because of this. So yeah, if that's something you're interested in, if you're interested in reputation management, just help with your SEO, help with anything that I said, help with your map list, and also if you need help with anything, just let me know. I'm going to send you this email and just reply to it. All right, have a good day. Bye.